Okay, I guess I hit the 29-minute mark on my camera, so when I did this, I gave it a little spin, and I don't know if you can hear that bit of scraping noise. There is some rubbing happening after I turn this over, and I've loosened everything up, and I'm just trying to wiggle it around to get to a place where it doesn't rub, but I'm not like making progress with that right now. So what I'm suspecting there, I pushed those two big end, or those two journal supports out as far as they'll go. I'm snugging them up. And there is still a lot of scraping noise there. So, I do not have time to deal with this now. What I'm going to do is probably switch the bearing caps and see if that is the thing that's causing an issue. Yeah, we will talk about that more when I get back to actually do some work again.